Hi, dear friends. We have been talking about different insights in parenting. Today, we will learn a little bit more on how should a parent respond to children when their behavior is not loving, when their behavior is actually unruly. Imagine a child throwing a tantrum in a supermarket, or a child displaying unruly behavior in school or at home. The first thought that the parent has is punishment or corrective action. However, it is important for us to realize and understand that when a child behaves in a most unloving way, they themselves are likely to be feeling unloved, unwanted, not valuable, incapable, powerless, or hurt. When a child displays unruly behavior, the first instant reaction that parents mostly have is punishment or corrective action. But actually, what the child needs is understanding, compassion, and support. Children need love. So, what exactly should a parent do when a child is not behaving properly? How should a parent respond to this unloving behavior? A child engaging in undesirable behavior has most likely lost the love connection with the parent, very much like the mobile phone, which loses signal in some places and some situations. The first and foremost response that a parent should have is being calm and composed. Why? Because when we are calm and composed, that helps us not to take the child's behavior personally. And when we do not take the child's behavior personally, we are able to respond appropriately rather than react irrationally or emotionally. And for doing all of this, parents need to be able to give themselves a lot of self-care. And that self-care is what gives the parents self-support to be able to be calm and composed in such situations. Once the parents are calm and composed, the next part of the parental response is to think and understand and inquire. What is the cause? What is the driver of this unwanted behavior? What is the pattern? What is the thinking pattern in the child? What are the triggers that is provoking this behavior? Most importantly, parents need to ask a question. What is the underlying need in the child, the unmet need in the child that is making him or her behave in such a way? When we start looking at all of these questions, when we start introspecting, the parents are able to arrive at much more clear and sustainable solutions. And finally, the parents need to work at modifying the home environment, the house environment, so that we can actually prevent that problem situation from recurring, so that we can support our children in a most positive way. And most importantly, we can use positive communication so that we can have conversations with our children that provide information, that provides support to our child, and that helps our child heal. That's very, very important. That our children feel that love coming from our parents, from the parents. Children who need love will ask for that love in the most unloving way. And that is seen every single day. And so we have to be ready. We have to be ready with our response, not with our reactions. And we have to be ready with love. We have to be ready to support them. So that's what I wanted to share today. Have a wonderful day. Happy mindful parenting. I'm having my mindful parenting and positive discipline class coming up next week. I wanted to share details about that with you. So US timings are August 14th, 21st, 28th, and September 11th, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific time US. And the class corresponding time for the India zone is August 15th, 22nd, 29th, and September 12th, 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. India time. Now, this is a class that's going to be small in size so that I can give complete attention to all of you. And it is open to all those who are parents who are interested in parenting. And what we will be learning in these 4 weeks is learning different concepts of mindful parenting, different concepts of positive discipline. We will be doing all of that through activities. We'll be doing that through fun ways, in insightful discussions. You will also practice different tools of calming and relaxing that you can use for yourself and also teach your children. The idea is also that you can benefit from the parent support team that will be created. We'll create a WhatsApp group, and we'll be doing a lot of discussions offline as well. And the idea is that parents feel supported. We are able to answer and arrive at solutions to our parental issues. You will also get handouts, recordings of meditations, and also one bonus coaching session with me. I hope you do join me for this class. The class has limited capacity, so if you're really interested, do register. The registration link is in the description below. So have a wonderful day. Happy parenting.